Now, 7th class, we will discuss one more example with you. You can write it down. Okay. So you write down question. यहाँ पे आप क्वेश्चन डालिए. This is your question, class 7th. And you have come to know that you have been selected. You can write down the date here also. You should mention the date also. So you come to know that you have been selected for the dance competition at the state level. So write a diary entry expressing your views about the same. तो आप select हो गए हैं डांस competition के लिए state level पे and you are very happy and you have to express your views. So let's get started. So what I have told you, you have to write on the left side top day and date, year. Clear? Here you can mention the time if you feel like, but you mention it. It's a good habit. Mention the time also. Mostly the diary entry is written at night time, but it can be written whenever you get time. So you mostly write the time of 9 or 10 at night. Today I am full of energy. You can start like this. Today I am full of energy. Unlike other days when I am tired by the end of the day. आज मैं बहुत energetic feel कर रहा हूँ. क्यों? Why? Because unlike other days when I am tired by the end of the day. But today I am not tired. Unlike other days means दूसरे दिनों की तरह आज मैं tired नहीं हूँ. This is because today I realized my most cherished dream. क्यों आज ऐसा क्यों हुआ that I am feeling very energetic? Because I realized my most cherished dream. जो मेरा आज ड्रीम था वो आज रियलिटी में बदल गया. कैसे? I was selected for the dance competition at the state level. So you will start writing about your selection. In the beginning the day seemed very ordinary. Day started as a very ordinary day as usual. However, in the assembly, the team selected for the state level dance competition was announced. So in the morning assembly, the team selected for the dance competition was announced, and I was nervous as our principal started calling out the names of the members of the team. So at that time, obviously, I was feeling very nervous because at that time principal was calling out the names and I was thinking whether my name will come or not. So I was feeling very anxious. Finally, the moment came and she announced my name before the rest of the team. And finally she announced my name also. I was ecstatic. Ecstatic means बहुत खुश. Ecstatic means very happy when your joy knew no bounds. जब आप बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हैं. And proud of this achievement. And you were feeling very proud that at last you have made it. So as my classmates heard the news, they demanded a treat. So with this line you can add 1 or 2 lines yourself also. Like you can write, I was ecstatic and proud of this achievement. यहाँ आप इसके बाद भी एक कुछ लिख सकते हैं. You can add on your own also. Proud of my achievement के बाद आप अपनी तरफ से यहाँ पे कुछ लाइन ऐड कीजिए. यहाँ पे मैं आपको यहाँ लिख के दे रही हूँ, आप ये चीज़ यहीं पे ऐड कर लेना. ठीक है? So ecstatic and proud of my achievement. I felt very excited. I felt very excited and I took the blessings of our principal ma'am principal ma'am and other teachers. You can add this line after this. Achievement के बाद आप ये line लिख सकते हैं. I felt very excited and I took the blessings of our principal ma'am and other teachers. As my classmates heard the news, they demanded a treat. My parents were thrilled too, as they had put in a lot of effort towards my selection. So from dropping me to my dance class to arranging my costumes, my parents managed it all. So my parents were very helpful during this session, and they were just too thrilled, and they put in a lot of effort in arranging my costumes and managing and dropping me to the dance venue and all that. So to conclude, I would say that all my well-wishers were happy, and I was undoubtedly on the top of the world. In fact, I still am. So you have expressed your joyous feelings in this diary. You felt very ecstatic in that, and you will express your joy feelings in the form of a diary. So I still am, and उसके बाद आप नीचे अपना left side पे अपना you will write your name, and with this you end your diary. आप ऐसे कर सकते हैं, and you can add your own lines also if you feel like. After this achievement आपने ये लिखना है. यहाँ के बाद आप ये लाइन एक और ऐड कर देना, and if you feel anything other line suitable for that, you can also just add it, but let me know about it. आप पहले मुझसे लिख के पूछ लेना ऑनलाइन कि मैम ये लाइन यहाँ सूट करेगी या नहीं. So we have discussed one more diary here, and you have to do this in your notebooks. So write down. You can just write down like this: day and date, body of the diary entry, this one, expression of your feelings and your name. So this is the module है. Diary entry is a very personal form of diary, having no hard and fast rule. It reflects our creativity, imagination and expression. You can write it like this. आप introduction दे सकते हैं ऐसे. The diary entry is a very personal form of writing, having no hard or fast rules. It reflects our creativity, imagination and expression. So उसके बाद आप लिख सकते हैं effective diary के हमारे जो main points हैं वो क्या होने चाहिए. It should include the day, date and time of entry. Contents means आपकी body, main आपका जो ये part है ये अच्छे से होना चाहिए. And signature और या name. तो last में आपके signature या name होने चाहिए. And ये personal उसमें लिखी जाती है, वो मैंने आपको पहले ही बता दिया था, that you have to mention it in a personal first person. Clear to all of you? So all of you write down this diary. I am holding it like this so that you people can see it clearly. So I hope you people have written it. Write it properly. So with this we have completed one more diary entry, and I have given you one sample solved example. Clear? So with this we complete our one diary entry. written 2 more diary entries, but I think that is for the a bit easier for you, so that is why I just made it right to the class 6th. So you can just write down this work, complete your work, class 7th. So we can write down one more diary tomorrow. Okay, we can write down one more diary tomorrow. So with this you complete your work, and I hope you people have done this. Have you done all of this? Have you completed this comprehension? I've made you write down, and I really didn't like that thing. So I told you to that get it photostat, or it is up to you if you can write down whole the comprehension in your notebook. Write down the full story passage and then write down the questions. I told you to get it photostat and paste it in your notebooks and then write down the question answer part. So it is up to you, but you have to do this work in their notebooks. I want to see this in your notebooks, comprehension. And then question answers should be handwritten, but in the case of this passage, you can either get it photostat or you can write it by your own. It is up to you. And complete all the question answers and do this in your fair notebooks. It should be there in your notebooks when you come to the school. So you people can do it yourself. Just go through this second passage also. You read the following passage and answer the questions that follow. You can do it for your practice, because in exams reading section is also very important and it carries 15 marks. So class 7 for today, it is I think over. We have discussed the diary entry with you, and I have explained you 2 solved examples of diary entries. So all of you complete your work, complete the comprehension part, and start revising your syllabus, whatever has been covered. And tomorrow we'll take a Zoom class, and write down your doubts if you have any. We will discuss it tomorrow in the Zoom class. So write down the doubts if you have any related to the syllabus covered, whether it is of the literature or of the grammar part. We will discuss it tomorrow in the Zoom class. Either I'll take it tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So it depends. Most probably I will take it tomorrow, but if some problem occurs, so I can take it day after tomorrow. But most probably I will take it tomorrow only. So have a good day and complete your work, class 7th.